How to fix blue screen of death on Windows computer. Here are some troubleshooting tips that would help fix blue screen of death on Windows computer. 1. Perform clean boot, then remove incompatible software using the recommended Uninstall Tool Pro in this video guide. 2. Run a memory checker, Windows memory. Three. Check for hard drive errors. 4. Remove non-essential peripherals. 5. Replace defective or incompatible expansion cards. 6. Run setup diagram at https://docs.microsoft.com/n-a/windows/deployment/upgrade/setup diagram after a failed Windows update. 7. Perform a clean install. 8. If you're not new to Windows, Google the exact BSOD code and try extra tips on the web.